Succeed with ease, affiliate marketing tips for pros. Nowadays, the need for effective affiliate marketing plans is on the rise. The demand for programs and products lead to some very innovative marketing techniques. Now is your chance to find something that works for your business. Here are some tips that you can use to get you started with finding what you need. If you perform especially well for a particular company, ask for a raise. If generating sales and using sound marketing strategies are things you are known for, the program is sure to consider a raise and whatever red carpet you want to stay on board. One way to increase revenue from your affiliate marketing programs is to incorporate them into the email communication that you have with faithful customers. If you send out regular newsletters or special offers via email, include a link to your affiliate's products. This is an unobtrusive way to increase the exposure your affiliates get to your customers and thus your potential profits. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. As you have read, there are many different ways to deal with affiliates and to have them work in favor of your business. You need to find the program that works for you. By following these tips, you are well on your way to improving your business's online presence through the use of affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.